How to create component using the Angular CLI. If you haven't subscribed WebLearns channel, please subscribe and like and share the video. Okay, let's start how to create a component using the Angular CLI. In previous video, we see the server component which we created the custom. So if we want to create using the CLI, then we need to go into the CLI CMD. So over there you have to go in that part where you want to create the component. So let's go to the app folder. So now we are in the app folder. So here is the command to creating the component. Command name is ng generate component and component name. Like I am giving the name of component is a server one. So here is the command to generate the component, and another way you can write nggc and the component name server. If you give like this -1, this is the invalid command. There is a like naming convention of component. Okay, so you cannot give the -1, so you cannot give any special character in the component name. Okay, so let's give the another name server 1. Okay, so it will create the component and it is automatically added into the app.module.ts file. Okay, so if here is the p component, you can see here is the added the css file, html file, spec.ts file. This file is used for the testing purpose. Okay, we are not using this file in the development purpose. So in the ts file you can see here selected template and style url will be automatically created. When you are starting the development, you can generate the component using the CLI. Okay, I will add that selector. You can use this selector. I added this selector into the app.component.html file. So let's run this application. Okay, so here my compilation is successfully and I am refreshing the application. So here you can see app server 1 component is added here. So like this way you can create the component also. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in this video, and thank you for watching this video.